Welcome! In front of me I have Mobvoi TicWatch GTH and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. So if you press and hold on it, after a second or two the watch face menu should open. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Once you find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.